pros up.
It won't crank now, it ain't in park, huh?
I guess not. We'll figure that out at a later date. I don't know. That's new.
I hear the boys coming on side by side. I bet they cold.
Maybe this truck will warm up. Figure it out later.
Well, it is supposed to get like 45 today, so.
Is approximately 9 degrees right now. Wind chill and whatever in the world they call it, it feels colder than that. There's a big moist soil impoundment over there that we turned the well on in hopes that would keep the water open, and to Jordan and I's delight, when we walked out there a second ago, it appears a large wad of geese and ducks have kept it open for us. So we're gonna start heading that direction, get some decoys out. I've hunted down here for too long to count my eggs before they hatch, but it looks like a good situation. Not in love with my truck not cranking, but we'll figure that out later.
Buddy.
All right, what's the game plan?
Go set up, go ahead and get set up, and then wait for daylight.
There's a dead,
living on snow?
a dead speckle belly right here.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Frozen down.
Like where at?
like 10 yards off the bank.
Holy crap. Bandit?
I checked.
I figured you did. Oh, dude.
Now I don't know if they have kept it open or if they're just walking on the ice.
That's special right there, boys.
No, it's open right out there because I watched
special.
ducks getting up out of the water right there.
Where's the hole at?
We can just get anywhere through here.
Is that right there? Well, I got light. Oh yeah, I still get it.
Yeah, I'm in.
Hey! What is that?
I think it's a gap roll.
Motion decoy.
No, Hollywood.
He's a motion decoy. I think that's a spoonbillis.
Yeah, that's a Hollywood over there.
Somebody shoot it. Shoot him. Good shot. Good shot. Who's that? Hang on, duck's working. That's right, man. Kill that duck, kill that duck, kill that duck, kill that duck. Shoot him again, Logan. Dude, you put a conch in there?
That's all. We're out 2 or 3 boxes.
Man, I don't want you to lose that duck.
Gotta kill this one here in front.
It is.
Pintail's coming through. It's a sprig in the back, Logan. Got it.
You gonna shoot any of them?
I wish. Hey, you wanna help me push this? Alright, back.
Now I'm gonna give us a call.
Watch it stay up there.
So, we never hunted that side of the hole. When I had the bright idea, I think we need to be over there, because the last time we hunted, that's where most of the ducks were in shooting range of. I got over there and just aimed October, so we elected, instead of sitting there and flaring ducks, to make a move. And that's what we did. So we're back on the south side of the hole. The wind's out of the east, which is good. And as you can tell, we are breaking ice like crazy. This is the wildest hunting conditions I've ever hunted in. But we're going to get it set up, and hopefully the ducks keep flying like they have, and they won't see us now. Hard duck hunting. Very rare you in the spot you need to be from the first get-go.
Hey, don't forget your gun.
Do it.
Appreciate it.
You're gonna need that.
About that.
I'm on them.
You got him, Austin?
Yeah.
Hey, Duck.
Man, I don't know whether to get on top of this ice. It's getting to the point where I can't break it.
I'm telling you, I think you can. Maybe stay on your knees or something. Stand up and go full regalia.
Y'all better be still on standby to get me out.
What do you want me to do?
Just make sure that red button.
Oh, it's rolling on him, believe me. I ain't missing this. It sounded like Jordan to not think on his feet like this. I'm surprised he didn't bring like a big old stick or something. Give him extra reach.
You should just shoot it with a shotgun.
Where's the duck? I don't see it.
You must be a ways away.
Oh, he's still a ways from it. Holy cow. I see. I thought he was getting close. He's still like 50 yards. Oh, I thought he was about to do it. Here comes the show.
Man, I really hope he does, but doesn't fall.
It would be funny for about a second, and
Be
then
good
we'd be like, "Ah,
content.
crap."
It's all about content, right?
Hey, just sit on it and flip your legs around and get on your knees.
Yeah,
Heard
if
that
I fall
before.
through them.
If I had a nickel. Oh, gracious alive.
Oh, drugs. Them decoys.
Austin, kill him. Kill him.
Well, I suck, so.
Y'all got one of them, didn't you?
Yeah, one of them, but
This makes me understand ice fishing a little bit better. If they come in the decoys, kill them. Don't wait on me.
Like the same buck.
He's almost to it. He did it. He did it. He did it. Jordan, show him to me.
Fun morning.
You gotta walk quicker, it'll freeze back up on you.
That was a good time, boy.
There's a stick right there.
I called it.
Is this weather not crazy?
It's wild, man. It's cold. A couple inches thick ice.
I had to brave the elements to get this one.
You see,
Yeah, that was a good. That was
Yeah,
a good.
y'all ever
good
seen a
video there.
redneck ice skating?
I saw Jordan finally like grow the confidence to stand up on that ice, and we were all sitting over here going, ooh.
Bro, the whole time I was walking across there, that thing was going pop.
It was one of those things we were videoing because we, just in case, but we didn't want you to fall. But
I was already trying to think of an exit strategy, like how if I fall through here and do get wet, like.
Well, we were all
tough.
thinking, me and Logan, we were like, it's gonna be funny for 2 seconds, and then we're gonna be like, how do we help him?
He's about to die.
There ain't no getting over there quick. But
It was fast and furious to start with, and it just died.
they must have found some open water and just stayed there, but it was fun.
best duck hunt I've had all year. So
Finally showed up. All right, well, let's pick up decoys and find somewhere to get warm.
All right,
Enjoying some warm shoes.
let's go find some food.
Shoot that duck if you want to, yeah. Did y'all kill anything? Yeah. Where's it at? No, he's swimming off. I don't see a duck out there. Kill it. Nuts. Hey, that's a pintail. Yeah. Who shot it? It's a pintail. Big old bullpen. Yeah. Good boy. Kill those ducks. Y'all see those ducks? Shoot them. Nice. Place, Knox. Drop. Out.
It's a widgeon.
Hold him up for me, Mason. Let's see him.
Yeah. There's another one out there. I forget Lake. It's kind of in that bag. All right, we're back. Me and Lake and Mason out here this morning. Lake's behind the camera. Hunted out here yesterday, breaking ice big time, like 2-inch thick ice. We were down there on the west side of the hole. Had a bunch of decent ducks in here yesterday morning, but we moved on to the east side of the hole. We got a southeast wind. It's working good, so got, what do you say, Mason, 2 dozen decoys. Had ducks flying pretty good.
Pretty good so far.
Yeah, it's a good morning.
Knocked down about what, 4, 5, 6?
Well, I've knocked down about 4. I think you're sitting on 1, but we're gonna let it slide.
Austin had a few mishaps this morning. Forgot a shotgun, forgot his shells,
Man, I've been in a bind.
dropping shells, clicking on ducks.
Let my dog get stuck in the jerk string.
Man, it's been a
Mess.
struggle. No, I forgot my gun, but
Duck in the decoy.
it's a McGanzer. I forgot my gun, but I did have shells in my blind bag.
Yeah.
So Lake's let me borrow his gun like a sweetheart, but My shells are 3.5. Lake's guns are 3 inch.
At least he's shooting all right. All right.
It ain't horrible. But
Picking up. Hopefully, we can get some mallards fine here in a minute.
it's still, it's crazy that it's still a bunch of ice out here.
Yep.
Like when we were putting out decoys, we were still had to break up a good chunk of ice.
A little slushy. Some thicker spots here and there.
But
A lot better than yesterday as far as the ice. The numbers are a little bit less, but
I can tell you one thing. It feels a lot better.
yeah.
It's crazy when 34 feels hot.
Yeah.
Two lit in the decoys right there. Yeah, kill him. Nuts. Yo, kill him. Kill him. Nux. Nux. You know what they say about one? It's a lot better than none. What are they? Kill him. Nux. Kill him. What are y'all waiting on?
So it's, I don't even know what time it is. What is it, like 8 maybe? And I don't know how many ducks we have total, but we have enough that Austin got his limit, Mason's got a few left, so we switched up. The action has slowed down a little bit, so I don't know if I'll get any shooting or not, but it's been a very fun morning so far. Just sitting behind that camera's been high entertainment. Maybe we'll get a little bit more shooting in, who knows. For a cloudy morning, when ducks can see everything and they're liable to flare off everything, it's hard to complain about this. This has been pretty good. Knox. I don't know why you always decide to come through like the thickest part possible, but you do. Definitely a little rusty on his blinds.
Why don't you go sit out there by Mason?
Suppose you could. Roll over.
Mason done gone from having 3 to 5 in about 2 seconds.
He did.
get that on camera, Austin?
Oh yeah. Come on.
So Mason and Austin are both limited out. I've shot 3 ducks. I've got three more I can shoot. The trick that worked as the day got on is Mason snuck out to this tree, so we had a lot of ducks finishing on the edge, and I've shot 3 from that tree as well. So I'm gonna get back out there, see if we can't finish up. It's been a fun morning. Been waiting for this all year with as slow as it's been. Whip.
Man, what is going on?
I missed.
Came right in your lap.
What you think, Austin?
Good morning.
Yeah.
Still ducks coming in.
So it's about 10 a.m. and Austin's back there hanging up the ducks. Mason's going to grab his side-by-side. Knox is mad because we're through, but yeah, we've all were able to shoot our limits this morning, which is saying something because all of us are not what you would call crack shots. So if we are going to shoot our limit, it takes some high opportunity days. But I tell you, and I'm sure Austin will agree, it has been such a crazy season with the drought and how warm it's been and the lack of water and just no ducks being down. And so having a day like this where we get to do that, it's been long overdue.
I could do it every day.
What do you think?
I could do it every day. All day, every day.
That right there is hard to beat. Oh, it's fun. Pack up, get out of here. Maybe we'll get to do it one more time before season's over.
I think I'm gonna forget my gun every time. That must be the good luck charm. And shells.
Knox don't want to be through. He's like, man, y'all keep hunting. Fun morning. Fun morning.
What a day. Mason and I are on our way up to a place in Bolivar County to hunt. Hunt in the morning, come up this evening, just spend the night. We're gonna go to Cleveland and get something to eat. But had a buddy call me this morning and said they had the ducks. So me and Mason jumped in the truck, headed north, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm feeling pretty confident about the morning, but we'll see. It's still tons and tons of ice on the ground up through here. North Mississippi, a lot more froze up than we are back at home. But we're gonna stop in. We got a little place for sale that's 1.4 miles from where we're gonna be hunting in the morning. So we're gonna stop up here on our way and just see what those bar pits look like. See if they're froze over. See if they're holding any ducks. We really don't have a clue. So we're gonna park these in there and see what they look like. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have a good hunt to show y'all in the morning. Things still a little icy up here in North Mississippi. You don't see a snowplow in Mississippi much. You never see it down there in central Mississippi where we are. So a lot of stuff locked up. We got to put a pump running where we're gonna hunt in the morning, trying to keep that hole thawed out. So hopefully about daylight in the morning we'll be in the money. What's our game plan for the morning?
Game plan for the morning. We've been hunting a flooded cornfield, and then we've had a well running on. Ducks been coming into it, kept the rice open. The last couple days have been good. We've been able to kill 30 each morning. If everything goes as planned, hopefully the water's still open and the ducks will be piling in the corn, and we will be in there at shooting light and hopefully be in a position to kill some when they start flying.
Yeah, the well deal, me and Mason were coming up here. I didn't realize how much more ice was up here, man. We turned it, I guess that was Cleveland, and saw mounds of ice they pushed out of those parking lots and stuff, but it's nothing like that back at home. But
No, last 8 days up here have been pretty rough. Like, we're not used to weather like this, so we've had 5 inches, killed ducks from day one, but it's been hard getting there, so it's nice having some roads we can finally drive and get to, but the wells have been the game changer the last 2 weeks.
Still, we're a week from the original ice storm.
Yeah.
And we're still, the last
It happened 2 Fridays ago.
2.5, 3 miles that I drove was in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, 15 miles an hour, 4-wheel drive, you're gonna be fishtailing, you better, but you gotta do it to kill ducks in this type of weather.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for the morning. We've had a decent season, but not what we were hoping for, so hopefully we can make up for it tomorrow.
It has definitely not been what it's used to been, but this cold weather has definitely made a change. There's definitely been more ducks in the area the last 2 weeks than there have been the whole season, I would think.
Oh yeah, but driving up here, I feel like every little hole you could find in the stall was loaded with them. But when you called me this morning, this all just came about this morning, like 9 o'clock.
That's the thing I like about y'all is if I call you and say, hey, they're here, we got to hunt it. Now.
Oh yeah, so when you called me, and Mason knows too, I'm probably not gonna drive this far up here. And then when I told him we were leaving at 1, luckily he said, all right, I'll meet you at your house. So, be a fun morning either way. I'm excited. Hope that don't close.
Weather will be good, wind will blow, might be a little cloudy, but regardless if we kill anything or not, it'll be fun. Based off prior experiences, if the water stays open, well doesn't cut off, free food, about 500 yards from the river, ducks should be in there. This morning we had about 5,000 come in before shooting light on video, so if everything works out as planned, tomorrow morning should be very fun.
And also what you saw, you were over there, 4 o'clock this evening?
When did we meet? About 4:45?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got there around 4:15 or so, sat there for 30 minutes, and I'll be honest, it was pretty exciting for the morning just based off what was going in there that's roosting there tonight.
Well, I would say that, you take into account the pump and you take into account all the ducks sitting on there, that hole should stay open. So
absolutely. Even if the pump were to cut off tonight, if there's 1,000, 2,000 ducks in the corn, they're gonna keep it open tonight, and the blinds 10 yards from the end of the poly pipe where it's open, so God willing, it's gonna be good.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna give it our best shot anyway.
No doubt.
In the state during the month of December.
Never seen nothing like that before. It's gonna be a fun morning. We can keep everything calls and all unfroze. We're gonna be in business.
So the whole thing is just stream over. Get ready. like they headed towards the river this morning instead of here.
Charlie, watch that one behind you. Big duck on the right now.
Big ducks dropping from behind.
Get ready.
How you gonna kill him when you go?
Right here, right here, right here. On the right of the wall.
All down here.
There's two teal coming in the front.
What are those?
Shoulder and a teal.
Oh gosh.
Hey, big group to our left. See them making that? That's a big duck up behind us. Pretty good volley right there.
Yeah. I hit number 3 of the morning. We gotta show this to Lake and show him that I done figured out my shooting. Cause I'm about, oh, here we go. The mishap start again. No, I'm on 3 for 4 this morning.
Not a bad start.
Got it.
Come on, Poppy.
Defend yourselves.
Here they come.
That's one thing.
Right here, Austin.
Got it. That damn thing just licks him. I don't know whether
Here.
I think they're seeing us.
I wouldn't think a teal would be. I can see the mallards maybe, but.
So I'll show you a situation where I can back up in here. Holy crap, look at all the tail marks.
Oh.
Right here, right here, right here.
You want to shoot, Mason?
Huh?
You want to shoot?
I'm good.
I got I know I've killed 3. I'm about to, as soon as I kill the next 3, I'm gonna, we're good with cameras now, so shouldn't take that long.
They're all landing on that ice right there.
Yeah, they're between us and the break.
Good shot. I got 4. And a wood duck was crippled and got up and flew.
All right, well, that was quick. What time is it? You got your phone?
8 o'clock on the dot.
8 o'clock on the dot, and we are done. It was about as wild as Buchanan told us. This duck's still diving in right here, big ducks. But it's been about as wild as Buchanan said it would, and just looking at the videos, we thought it would. But so you can see out in front of us, everything's frozen. The pump's running, keeping this one hole in this corner of this cornfield open, and they're just dive bombing here, getting up off the river, coming straight here. Sit down and eat. But
And the river's only, the levee you can see is just right here. The river's only about 1,000 yards that way, so they're on open water just coming straight to the food. We got a well running with poly pipe, keeping all this open the last 8 days.
And probably,
it's been money.
Probably could have been done quicker, but it was being real overcast. We couldn't see to shoot till later, but
yeah,
I mean, there's still ducks diving.
2 mallards right here, 40 yards.
But all right, we better get the big boys and get out of here, so they'll be back in here for you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
What a morning. We appreciate it. Very fun.